little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look and I called it summertime because it's almost summer. And yeah, I'm glad to be back. I had some things going on, but anyways, I hope to be back now. So to set my eyes, I use my Maybelline concealer and I just put it on, and I'm spreading it down with this brush that is from Shop Miss Save for $1, and I'm using my finger to rub the product all the way through my eyelid. Now I'm using this like small mauve pink shade for my transition color, and no, don't set it, that way that color can be a little bright. And I'm just using rotating and back and forth motions just so I can blend that product very good and it's not unblended. Then the next shade I'm going to be using is this shade that it's more of an orange, a light orange color, and I'm actually just applying it right above my crease line, not on my crease line but right above it, and I'm using the same motions back and forth and rotation, and I'm just using a smaller brush. And all my brushes that I'm using I got from Macari or Shop Miss Save. The next shade I'm using is this smaller purpley burgundy color, and this one I am putting it on my outer V and my crease line, and this is just to make it a little bit more intense, and as you can see, very pretty and blendable after you do all this. And I'm using the same thing, rotation motions, and Maybelline and a flat Wet n Wild, and I'm just starting from the middle of my eyelid and I'm working my way very slow, my way up and to my inner corner of my eye, and I'm using the guideline that I created from the middle. As you can see, I used the guideline to lead me to where I wanted, and I do have somewhat of a hooded eye, so, and I'm using the white shade. I did not set it, I'm just setting it basically with this white shade, and I am just using patting motions, not back and forth. It looks like I'm going back and forth, but it's really just patting motions because I want the product to be good. Then I'm using this purple burgundy to blend out the outer V. As you can see, I didn't really add much product back on it, I just used the product that was left on the brush. Then I'm using my Suvia Hydro liner, and this is my first time using this product, guys, so bear with me. It did come out a little bit choppy, but practice makes perfect. So you just add a little bit of water and just get some product on your brush. Yeah, as you can see, it did come out a little choppy and whatnot, but I am practicing, so I hope to be good, because I guess if you don't put enough product or water in this product, then it's going to be really like, I don't know how to explain, it's gonna be like gooey, I guess you can say. It's gonna be gooey, and then we just want to use that product to just create the liner. So, but yes, that's how I did it. And then I took out the tape, and I'm using my Essence, also I think it's like $3.99 mascara, and I actually really have been loving this mascara. It's, I don't know, it doesn't leave my lashes all clamped up. It actually separates my lashes, which is one thing that I've always wanted for a mascara to do, just separate my lashes and make them long. I mean, I used to have long lashes, but then I used to pick my lashes with mascara, so I would pull them out, and that's not good. So don't do that, because then you're just making your lashes really bad. And here, this lash is supposed to be like a natural color, so this eye look is something natural for you guys to wear during the summer. I thought it was really pretty and creative that I wanted to come up with something wearable for the summer. Now these lashes are from Paris Hilton. I didn't know she had lashes, but they are natural. They have a really light band and really bendable. So yeah, and I'm gonna be doing my face off camera because my face routine is always the same, so it saves a little time. And this is a finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Thank you.